arrived in Indonesia. 5 minutes into the conversation, someone asked, "Are you married?" 10 minutes later, "How old are you?" Then, "What's your religion?" If you're from many Western countries, this can feel surprisingly personal. But here's the thing. Most Indonesians are not trying to invade your privacy. They are trying to get to know you. Today's investigation is on why do Indonesians ask questions that many foreigners consider private. In many Western cultures, politeness means respecting personal boundaries. In Indonesia, politeness often means showing genuine interest in someone's life. Same intention, different expression. Sudah menikah? Punya anak? Umur berapa? Asalnya dari mana? Kerja apa? Agamanya apa? These questions usually aren't interrogations. They are conversation starters. Indonesia is a relationship-oriented society. People build trust by learning about each other. Personal questions often signal friendliness rather than suspicion. So how to answer politely? If you're not married, say belum. Belum. If you're married, say sudah. Where are you from? Saya dari Australia. What about religion? If you are a Christian, you can say saya Kristen. Or if you are a Muslim, you can say saya Muslim. Or if you'd rather not answer, you can say maaf, saya lebih nyaman tidak membahas itu. I'm sorry, I'd rather not discuss that. Notice how soft and respectful the wording is. Sometimes smiling works just as well. Sudah menikah? Belum. Masih belajar bahasa Indonesia dulu. Not yet. I'm still learning Indonesian first. People usually laugh. The conversation continues naturally. Avoid common mistakes like becoming defensive or assuming bad intentions, or maybe answering too abruptly. Just relax and answer calmly. Listen to this mini dialogue.
Sudah menikah?
Belum. Doakan ya.
Siap. Semoga segera.
Let's do a quick quiz. Someone asked, punya anak? What's the shortest natural answer? Belum. You learned questions often express friendliness. You can answer briefly. You can decline politely. Understanding culture prevents misunderstanding. Next, we'll learn how to have a natural conversation through an entire Indonesian meal. Are you struggling to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios? I've created 2 programs to bridge that gap. My conversion between casual and formal fluency course helps you pivot your tone effortlessly, while my Indonesian affixation for professionals course tackles the common pitfalls of formal communication. Click the links in the video description to see if these are the right fit for your goals. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.